Okay, we have another Goodwill find. My wife got this for me. She didn't pay $14.99, but I think many of us had this model. I had one of these growing up in college. I had friends, and they all just died. They were not reliable at all. And let's keep in mind, this is the late 80s. This is probably like from 87 or 88. So this is the initial power on. I am not expecting this to work. Let's put some great white on. There's nothing else hooked up to it, but I doubt it's going to read. Let's see what happens, but I might be surprised. Yeah, just what I thought. It's not reading. If I hit play, that's because the motors on these, and I think the lasers, there were all sorts of problems, but nonetheless, I'm going to give it a whirl. I do have one of these working. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Oh, I think I just saw the track listing. All right, I don't know what's going on, but I thought I just saw a track listing. But anyways, I'm going to open it up and we'll see what's in here. All right, seems to be loading in, but maybe not spinning. Oh, there we go. Okay, it found the track listing. Let's see if it plays. I really don't expect this to play. Maybe it will. And I remember in college messing with these, and there's these little adjustments back here. I'd have to get the service manual. I'm not just going to start poking around, but I'm just interested if I can get this to play. And this is a commercially pressed disc, so if anything's going to play this well, I'm going to go ahead and clean the laser with some Windex in one of these. I'll be right back. All right, it wasn't dirty as I expected, but the fact is I did clean it. Sometimes, you know, if there's something in the way. All right, this has a motor problem, but it seems like I can get it to, you know what? That means the laser's working if it's reading the actual tracks. Look how quick that was. It knows how many. The question is whether it plays. Oh my gosh, it's playing. Now I don't have audio hooked up. Let's see if it plays a track later. Looks like it's having trouble seeking and finding it. All right, I'm going to do some more cleaning on this, but it looks like it's working, just not to the way it should. All right, well, on principle, I changed the drive tray belt. This one wasn't too bad, but I have to say it has a little bit of a notch. It's dried up. It's also, I don't know, 30 years old, 40 years. Let's see, 87, 97, almost 40. So this is going in nicely. The disc is going in and spinning, and it's reading, and it's playing. But what I'm noticing is it's having trouble finding tracks later on. So like right now, this is track 1. I think there's like, I don't know, 8 tracks on here. Let's go move it up. Let's see if it finds track 5. It may find it after a little bit. There you go, it's playing. Let's go to track 9. It may take a little bit. It should be more quickly, but it might find it. Let's see. So I don't know if this is a speed, a laser adjustment, or what. There we go, and now it's playing. I'm going to just cycle this and let this play an entire CD, and then I'll hook it up and we'll actually see how the sound quality is. But I have not actually validated it's putting out sound, but I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. But, you know, we all had these. A lot of people had these. These were very budget, and most didn't work well. They made one with a remote. They also made one that had like little like digital meters, but it all had the same the same drive mechanism. So this is a survivor. I'm going to put this back together, and I'm just going to burn it in and run it for a while.